Okay lang ba mag-low carb ang may gallstone? Paalala lamang po, maaari mag-flare up ang dati ng may gallstone. Bakit recommended pa rin na mag-low carb kahit na may gallstone na is to prevent further development ng mga bago pang gallstones? And also in the long term, ito ay makakatulong sa kalusugan. Kapag kasi may gallstone ka na, it just tells you that you are at risk for mga metabolic diseases po. Usually it clusters naman kasi. They cluster. So for example, yung may mga gallstone, normally these are also people with fatty liver. These are also people with high blood pressure. These are also people with high cholesterol. There are also people with diabetes. There are also people who are overweight. So in short, metabolic syndrome. So kung maglo-low carb, mape-prevent yung worsening ng mga conditions na yun or development of the other conditions that have not developed yet, pero meron ka na nung iba. Eventually, in the long term, it's going to be preventative. Ano ba yung tatlong kondisyon kung saan, pag meron ka ng kondisyon na ito, tapos nag-low carb ka, maaaring mag-flare up yan? Isa doon yung gallstones, ikalawa yung kidney stones, ikatlo yung uric acid. So, yung mga meron na nito, just a word of caution, you truly have to understand yung foundation ng lifestyle kasi sometimes these conditions can flare up. Ano gagawin? Dapat pa bang ipagpatuloy? Sometimes all you need to do is really coordinate with your doctor, bigyan ka ng gamot. For example, kung mag-flare up yung gout mo, then you have to have medication para temporarily ma-relieve ka dun sa flare-up. But in the long term, isipin kasi natin yung risk-benefit ratio po. Titimbangin natin yung risk ba that I will have by following low carb. Kunyari, nagka-flare up yung aking kidney stone, nagka-flare up yung aking gout, nagka-flare up yung aking gallstone. Yan ba ay worth it, yung risk na yan, compared sa long-term benefits? And I think the answer to that is yes. So, yun nga lang, dapat alamin po natin, how do we deal with it if we do have a flare-up? Okay, so again, tatlong kondisyon, kidney stones, gout, and yung gallstones can all flare up kung dati ka nang meron yan, tapos nag-low carb ka. Dapat alam mo kung anong gagawin. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung benefits niya sa health mo, right? So what's the worst thing that can happen to you kung kunyari mag-flare up yung gallstones mo tapos nag-low carb ka? Knowing that the benefits of it long term are more compared dun sa risk. So the worst thing that can happen is matanggal yung updo, right? But again, that is a small risk to pay for example, preventing na lumala yung diabetes. So I have patients like that. Dati na silang may gallstone, nag-flare up kasi nag-low carb sila. However, yung benefits kasi ng low carb would be reversal ng kanilang diabetes, prevention ng paglala ng kanilang high cholesterol, yung kanilang blood pressure gaganda, overall mawawala yung mga inflammatory signs nila. So in that case, if you weigh the benefits versus the risk, then the benefits outweigh the risk. Long term pa po ito.